Welcome. Welcome to the online English class. Today we will discuss the last two stanza, that is stanza number 3 and 4. Stanza number 3 and 4 of the poem Rain on the Roof. Rain on the Roof. So everybody is requested to take out their notebooks and textbook and please concentrate on those stanza that I am going to discuss. Here, stanza number 3rd. Stanza number 3rd. Now in the memory. Now in the memory. Now in the memory. Comes my mother. As she used in years agone. To regard the darling dreamers are she left them till the dawn. Please see. Here you can see. Please see the line. Please see.
Sir, what is the meaning of agone?
Agone, that has gone से बना है gone. Agone, that has passed away.
Okay, sir.
Please take it. Now in the memory. Here it is very clear. Now in the memory. Whose memory is being talked about? किसकी मेमोरी की बात हो रही है? Come on. हाँ बोलिए. किसकी मेमोरी की बात हो रही है? बोलिए जोर से. Yes, the poets. Now come. In this stanza, the poet remembers his mother. Now in the memory comes my mother. Whose memory? In the poet's memory. Who comes? His grandmother, his mother. Now in his memory, his mother comes in his memory. Who comes in the poet's memory? Poet's mother. Mother नहीं कहिए. Poet's mother. Poet remembers his mother as he used in the years agone. Agone means past time. Agone का मतलब हुआ, I am writing here, past time. Past time. This is the meaning. Agone, as he used in years agone. As during the poet's childhood. Agone का मतलब past time, मतलब which year? The pasthood. During poet's childhood, his mother used to look down as he used. Used means what? Used is habit, habitual thing. जैसे बचपन में उसके सपना थी, as he used in years agone. Here poet during recalls as in the memory, the poet remembers his mother. Now in the memory comes my mother. So the poet's memory is refreshed and he recalls his mother. His mother in the memory. What kind of memory of what? Past time. What time? Past time. The childhood memory. During poet's childhood, poet's mother used to look down him and her other children to regard the darling dreamers. To regard the darling dreamers. Dreamer means what? One who dreams is a dreamer. Or she left them till the dawn. Or means before. Or का मतलब before. Before. Here मैं लिख देता हूँ before. Or before. Before. और का मतलब पहले. Dreamer. One who dreams. One who dreams. So as she left them till the dawn. Dawn is the morning. Early morning. And she left them before the morning. She left them before the morning. Okay. When did the poet mother left him? Yes? Please tell me.
Before at dawn.
In the before the morning.
Dawn.
Before the morning. Left. Or she left. She left them. Who are them? The children. His mother used to look down at the poet and her other children. Them is the poet and her other children. Them is stand for the poet and other children. The poet and other children. Here you see, left them. To whom the poet left them? The poet left them. Left them. Them is a stand for the poet and other children. So here you see, now in the dream memory comes my mother. In poet's memory, his mother. The poet recalls or remembers his mother. He recalls that during his childhood, his mother used to look after him and his other brother and sister, and his mother. His mother would look at them every night, and she would leave them till the next morning. It means that the mother has already died. The mother is already died. She only comes in dream. She only comes in poet's dream. वो सिर्फ पोएट के सपने में आती है. Memory. So here you see, now in the memory comes my mother, as she used in years ago to regard the darling dreamer. Who are the darling dreamers? The children. Or she left them till the dawn. So here the poet has described his first memory. अपने पहली मेमोरी की बात की है. The poet is describing his first memory, the memory of his childhood. The first memory is the memory of his. Now in the memory, first memory, which memory? First memory. First memory. So, first memory, the memory of, what is the first memory? The memory of the childhood. So, comes in my mother. Who comes in poet's memory? Poet's mother. कौन आती है? Who comes in the poet's mother memory? Who comes? Comes my mother. Here the question, who comes? My mother. Who is my mother? My is used for the poet. So who comes in the memory? It is the poet's mother who comes in the memory. ठीक है ना? Who comes in the memory? Poet's mother. Then, अब की तक as he used in the years agone. Here is the, what does he remember about his mother? अपने मदर के बारे में क्या याद करता है वो? As she used, past habit in agone, as she used to come in her childhood. So here, the poet remembers how his mother used to come, used to look after, used to look down at them during the night while they sleep. Here you see, during the night, the mother used to come when she was alive, and she used to come into the bedroom to their children, to her children, and there she looks down on them. So she used to, this is the habit, used to is a habit. It was her habit to come. It was her past habit that she used to come. He recalls that how, here the poet is recalling that how his mother used to come in his bedroom and look down at him. Okay? To regard the darling dreamers, to respect. Regard is what? Respect darling dreamers. So his mother used to look down upon him as he was sleeping and dreaming by late. To regard, to respect. Who is the darling dreaming? The poet is sleeping and he was in dream. to show to respect, to regard. So the mother used to come and look down upon the poet as he was sleeping and dreaming by late morning. Or she left them, और वो उसको कब छोड़ देती थी? Before the morning. And she left them till the dawn without disturbing. As that poet is sleeping and dreaming by late morning, so she left them. So she left them. Who is them? The poet and other children. Till the morning. By late morning. Okay. Is there any problem? इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है?
No, sir.
आगे बढ़ूं? Everybody understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
कहीं पे कोई प्रॉब्लम बेटा फिर से देख लो.
Sir, आगे बढ़ जाइए.
आगे बढ़े? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next. Next part. Oh. I feel. On me. On me. As I list refrain.
Sir, इस poem का sir कोई rhyming scheme है?
एक मिनट बेटा लिखने दीजिए प्लीज. Let me finish. Let me write. Then I will discuss upon the singers by the title of yes. Now हाँ क्या क्वेश्चन था बेटा, आप बताइए फिर से. हेलो.
Sir, इसमें sir कोई rhyming scheme है?
अभी तुरंत सब बताएंगे बेटा, पहले फिनिश करने दीजिए. बिना राइमिंग स्कीम की पोएम होगी? बिना राइमिंग स्कीम की कोई पोएम नहीं होगी. बिना इसके नहीं, मैं सारा बताऊंगा ना. कोई भी पोएम है, मान लीजिए कि आप यहीं पर से राइमिंग स्कीम, तो लुक ऑन मी ए, ये ए हुआ. एज लिसन टू हिज रे रिफ्रेन विच ही प्लेड अपॉन द सिंगर्स बी बाय द पैटर ऑफ रेन सी. Here you see the line. You will see that if you want to see the rhyming scheme, take me. Oh, I feel her fond look on me. A. As I listed to his this refrain. नहीं मिल रहा ना, लेकिन ये B हो गया. Refrain and rain. ये दोनों एक एक थे ना. G. Where is the refrain? Refrain, that is B. And that is also B. So A, B, C So rhyming scheme is A, B, C, B. That is the rhyming scheme. That is the rhyming scheme of the poem. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Please note down. A, B, C, B. मी को आप ए मानिए, रेफ्रेन और रेन बी बी, और सिंगल्स जो है वो अलग हो गया तो सी हो गया. एक जैसा राइमिंग का मतलब एक जैसा साउंड होना चाहिए. रेफ्रेन रेन दोनों में एन साउंड है ना. हेलो प्लीज.
Sir, हो गया.
Refrain and rain has the same sound, same rhythmic sound, so it will be same B B. तो A B C B.
सर पोएम में राइमिंग स्कीम था.
जी यही ना राइमिंग स्कीम है. आपने राइमिंग स्कीम पर क्वेश्चन किया, मैंने बता दिया आपको कि हम इसी तरह से भी किसी लाइन का राइमिंग स्कीम कर सकते हैं. जो लाइन दी रहेगी. ओके, वॉट एवर द लाइन, वॉट एवर द स्टैंजा दैट इज गिवन, you can start rhyming the way I taught you. Please see, the very first thing, me. Ab look whether me is matching to any similar sound. No, so it will be A. Then refrain, then rain, B B. And singles is a C. So the rhyming scheme is A B C B. Okay? Now come to the Oh, I feel her fond look. What is the fond? Please note down the fond look. Fond look. Fond look. That is loving look. Loving look. Fond look is loving look. Oh, I feel her. Who is her? Mother. कौन है हर इसमें? मदर. मदर. मदर्स फॉन्ड लुक. Whose I feel? Who is I? The poet. The poet. I कौन है? ये poet है. So I feel. The poet feel. Poet feel her fond look. The poet. Okay. The poet feel that her mother is looking at him. How mother is looking? माँ कैसे देख रही है बच्चों? Fondly, loving. प्यार से देख रही है. So the poet feels his mother's fond look on him. ओके, क्लियर है ना? हेलो हेलो हेलो, क्लियर है ना बेटा? पोएट किसको कैसा फील करता है? आई फील हर फॉन्ड लुक. सिंपल जवाब है बेटा. पोएट फील्स हिज मदर्स फॉन्ड लुक, लविंग लुक. Loving look on me. Poet finds that her mother is lovingly looking at him or looking down him. Her, I feel her. Who is her? इसमें हर कौन है? मैंने बताया, poet's mother. Who is her? मदर. किसकी मदर? पोएट्स मदर. पोएट्स मदर. सो हर इज स्टैंड फॉर पोएट्स मदर. पोएट की माँ के लिए है. हर इज स्टैंड फॉर पोएट्स मदर. ओ आई फील. आई इज द पोएट. फील हर. द पोएट फील हर मदर्स लविंग लुक ऑन हिम. What here the poet feels? Poet feels that her mother is looking down at him lovingly. Looking down at him lovingly. उसकी माँ नीचे उसको प्यार से देख रही है. Refrain. As I listen to this refrain. What is this refrain? कौन सा है? This refrain, the sound of rain. ये this refrain, this means sound. Rain, refrain is the sound. As I listen, as he listened, the sound of the rain. और this का मतलब क्या हो गया? यहाँ पर मैं लिख देता हूँ. Please note down. Sound of the rain. Sound of the rain. So you can see, this stands for the sound of the rain, which is played upon the shingles. Shingles क्या है? छत पर. Which is falling, which is played. Played is falling. The rain is falling upon the roof. Okay, and the repetitive. Rain is repetitively falling. Rain जो है वो लगातार repeatedly बरस रहा है. Rain is repetitively falling. Okay, falling, and it reminds him about the old memory. To the patter of the rain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Here what is here? As I listen to the refrain, as I hear the sound of the rain, which is played, which is falling, which is playing repeatedly, pitter patter, upon the shingle, upon the roof, by the patter of the rain, and the repetitive sound that is created by the rain takes him back into the memory. It refreshes poet's childhood memory. Okay? And the rhyming scheme. Any problem, my dear friends? Hello? 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 Am I audible, my dear friend? हेलो. हाँ, जोर से बोलिए मेरे बच्चों. कोई प्रॉब्लम? आप समझ गई? ओके. So here the poet in the poem Rain on the Roof is talking about the patter of the rain. पानी जो बरस रहा है, which helps him to recall his childhood memory. He dreamt about his mother, who loved him dearly. So the rain here provides him great happiness. So the old recollection of his childhood appears in poet's mind. यहाँ उसकी poet's mind पर recollections हो रही है old memory की, and the memory of his mother give him a kind of a peace, and the patter of the rain that is falling on the roof creates thousands of imagination. It produces thousands of imagination and memories. So we may say that while listening to the falling of the rain, the patter of the rain. The poet dreamt about his mother. The poet is lost in his old memories, and he dreamt of his mother, who paid attention, who looked after her children before leaving them in the morning. Here the poet felt as if his mother was looking at him in a loving manner. So this is what the poem is about. Now it is your turn to ask question. If you have any problem, it is my request to ask your question. If you have any problem, please ask your question so that I may solve. And if you have no problem, it's very good. Well, my dear friend, any query? Yes? Should I wind up? Time is, we have only 1 minute left. So, should I wind up? क्या हमें वाइंड अप कर देना चाहिए? आप इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को करेंगे. You will write the question answer of the poem.